Welcome back to Dalton Physical Therapy. Today we're going to continue our series on using the foam roller, part 2. First off, this one today is going to work on the legs, and we'll start with the hamstrings. You can put your hands back behind you, legs are up over the top of the roller, and we're going to lift ourselves up over the roller. So with both legs out, we can go ahead and work the hamstrings, both at the same time if you'd like. I like to roll a little bit left, both legs are rolling left, roll a little bit right to catch all angles of the hamstrings. Or you can certainly take it down to just one leg on the hamstring and lift up and roll one leg at a time. And then you can also roll out, same way, and catch the calves. I like to do the calves one at a time, so you can put a little pressure into the calves and really target the area that's tender. Oftentimes those are quite tender. And you can also catch right back behind the knee as well. Okay, then you go ahead and roll up to the glute. Pop yourself right up on your glute with your legs straight and your hands supporting you behind. I usually keep the other leg bent, so I got a little bit of contact on the floor to help drive that roller back and forth. And as I roll here, I'm gonna go from the sits bone all the way up to the crest of my pelvis, so where the bone ends up here. And especially get up in that area where a lot of the lymphatics for the glutes hang out. And if we roll back and forth, top to bottom, and then also pitch the body a little bit to the side to catch the outer part, and then also rolling back a little more facing the ceiling with the hips to catch the inner part of the glute next to the sacrum. Okay, and of course we would do both sides on that. All right, and then rolling over, we can catch the quads. I like to get in a plank position and relax as best you can right above the knee and roll back and forth over the quads. And just like the hamstrings, you can turn your legs to the sides, catch the outer and inner part of the quads, either side, and roll them out. When you're using the foam roller, try to avoid the really hot spots that make your body want to tense up, and instead work on those that feel like they hurt good, if I can use that term. And then lastly, getting up on the shins, if it's doable, and again, if it doesn't hurt too much, hands down, you can roll back and forth from ankles to knee and catch a little bit of the outside of each of those lower leg muscles on the front of the leg as well. Great for shin splints for this one. Okay, all right, in the next video we'll show you some tips on working the back. Thanks for watching.